We've worked hard to create a consistent, welcoming course space for our families and our learners. We could also add a personal touch by including an audio recording or a greeting, as well as a video recording and greeting. The way that you do that is here on my welcome page. If I click the cog and edit, you're going to notice at the bottom there is a microphone. You can either choose a video or an audio recording. Once you click on that, you're going to notice the record button. You can click on the record button. You can welcome families and children to your course. You could share a little bit of information about the course or yourself or what you're looking forward to this year. When you're done, you just stop recording and you can listen to it and either start over or insert this into your course. So this is attached to this welcome page. Families can actually hear you or see you, and that's a nice little touch. In addition to that, you can add audio and video to different pages or discussions or assignments to help reach those children who might have difficulty reading the text that you have.